Hi, welcome to AutoTechTalk. In this video, I will be reviewing one of the world's fastest supercars, produced by the best automobile manufacturers that have reigned for significant decades. Make sure to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything, right here on AutoTechTalk. The McLaren 720's lightweight carbon fiber body significantly complements its 710 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine. The engine's performance propels the vehicle to 100 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds, and it is proclaimed to reach 212 miles per hour. Not too many changes were made on the 2022 720's coupe or convertible. The convertible 720's performance is not compromised due to the added weight on the top, as is typical with many other convertible supercars. The Spider is quick as the coupe, and its open-air cockpit enhances the driving experience. Both the coupe and the Spider are powered by a 710 HP twin-turbo V8 4-liter engine. They both feature a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The 720's coupe can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour insanely in 2.6 seconds. On ill-maintained road conditions, that is where the 720 smooths out imperfections. The cabin of the McLaren can be fitted with a variety of materials and bespoke options. There are little storage compartments inside the cabin, though room has been made under the hood for luggage. Entertainment is still available in the supercar, where it is all centered in the 7-inch touchscreen. Its estimated starting price is $302,000. The Ferrari Roma is a sports coupe that can satisfy any mood, whether mood for the track or for cruising. Its exterior styling is reminiscent of the 50s and 60s Grand Tours. It features some extra smooth and sleek yet muscular lines that distinctly define it. Under its hood is a turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 612 horsepower engine with 591 pound-feet of torque that makes your destinations shorter. Lightweight components and the fine-crafted chassis have ensured smooth driving and great handling. The Roma consists of an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that debuted on the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Thanks to its V8 engine that produces glorious sounds as well as its dual-clutch auto transmission system that enables quick gear changes, its steering definitely requires less effort to use. The Roma's interior is visually enhanced by the stitched leather and faux suede. In front of the driver lies a 16-inch full digital gauge cluster that responds to controls on the steering wheel. Roma is a Ferrari with the most large section center, but with little cubby storage. The Roma is more of a grand tourer than a racetrack car, hence it is so accommodating when coming to the infotainment system features such as the 8.4-inch touchscreen and the amazing front passenger screen. This Grand Tourer does offer some standard safety features such as lane departure assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear traffic alert. The Roma has an estimated starting price of $222,622. The Lamborghini Huracan STO is a road-legal modern icon with all the technology and performance specs of a racetrack car. Its aerodynamics, lightweight contents, and its V10 massive engine are all responsible for making your everyday life a thrill. The Huracan was designed in a lightweight and functional approach, such as employing carbon fiber in 75% of the body panels. The Cofango, which is explained as a specifically designed body component that incorporates the front hood and body fenders as a result, maximizing the frontal aerodynamic performance simultaneously while saving weight. The interior is fitted with high-quality lightweight materials, dominantly carbon fiber. The 4-point seat belts elicit the sensation of true racing. The STO's navigation system can connect with the road in real time, giving real-time traffic information. To manage the status and condition of your vehicle, the STO makes it easy to find your car or seek your vehicle status report. The STO features safety and security technology such as the geofencing alert, curfew alert, and valid alert. Entertainment features Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and web radio are available. The STO accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3 seconds and reaches a max top speed of 193 miles per hour thanks to the 5.2-liter engine. The Lamborghini STO has a price of $327,000. And next on the line is the Aston Martin DB11. The signature of all Aston Martin vehicles is the horizontally spread out grille. On the modern Aston Martins, the iconic grille is reminiscently redefined and amplified. Inside the DB11, one finds sumptuous materials, the highest levels of craftsmanship and state-of-art climate control, and the infotainment technology provide the ultimate in comfort and convenience. The DB11 consists of 3 driving modes, namely the GT, Sports, and Sport Plus mode. The agile driving dynamics of the Aston Martin DB11 are all enhanced by the reworked chassis, steering, suspension, and electronics. Employed on the new chassis now is adaptive damping. The DB11's V8 and V12 impressively produce bhp of 503 and 630 respectively, both offering a combination of exceptional performance and improved efficiency. Interestingly, the DB11 consists of an intelligent cylinder bank, making it the cleanest and most fuel-efficient DB ever. To embrace some modernity and class, the Aston Martin offers a driver touring package. This driver touring package is an obsidian black leather and Alcantara liant case. The touring pack is designed to provide you with all the essentials for safe travel and to fit neatly into the boot of any Aston Martin. The touring pack features an invaluable in-car kit for any driver consisting of an LED torch, additional warning triangle, 2 Aston Martin branded high-visibility jackets, and the Aston Martin cleaning cloth. The infotainment system is accessed from the 8-inch touchscreen and manipulated with the use of a rotary controller, or the optional touchpad on the center console. Some safety features incorporated on the DB11 are the standard 360-degree camera system, standard front and rear parking sensors, and the available self-park feature. The price tag of the Aston Martin DB11 is $208,425. The Bugatti Divo is one of the most bespoke icons that one can have in their home garage. Exceptionally crafted, striking character, the Divo is Bugatti's first ever coach-built project. Athletic, sharp, with distinctive handling properties, stunning lateral acceleration, and a unique design language, the aerodynamics of the car have been intensively fine-tuned for additional downforce, while the suspension and chassis settings were modified for an even more compelling driving experience. The Divo is powered by Bugatti's 8-liter W16 engine, with an output of 1,479 pounds and 1,180 pound-feet, giving one an exceptional driving experience. The Divo is Bugatti's coach-built hypersports car of the 21st century. If your pockets are deep enough to splurge $5.4 million, it is essential to have this limited edition Bugatti icon. With its futuristic and ferocious design, Bugatti has created a very memorable icon that has reminded car enthusiasts and its customers the true tradition of the craftsmanship they employ in defining their automobiles. Its exterior lower front design borrowed some of its siblings' design elements, the Bugatti Chiron. The Divo features air ducts on the hood for max downforce, and definitely the V-shaped lines on the hood optimize the direction of the airflow. It has been 70 years since the existence of the Gran Turismo Maserati. It all started with a race car engine fitted on a handcrafted sedan car, and that is how the Grand Tourer was born. This all happened in 1947 with the A6 1500 GT Pininfarina, and some years later with the 3500 GT prototype. The Gran Turismo is a 4.7-liter V8 and develops 460 horsepower and 520 Newton-meters of torque. It is able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. The Maserati stability program is a standout safety feature. It uses an array of sensors to constantly monitor driving status and deploys a host of safety and performance systems to maintain handling and grip. The MSP function can be illustrated by when a skid is detected. The MSP selectively reduces engine torque and can activate the brakes with finely varied inputs to restore stability within milliseconds. All models are fitted with adaptive light control, a system that swivels the headlights as you turn. And in the rear, triangular lamp clusters feature 96 LEDs to ensure maximum nighttime visibility. There is also a standard rear view camera. Other safety functions include ABS with electronic brake force distribution, anti-slip regulation, engine brake torque, which prevents the wheels from locking when downshifting on low-grip surfaces, and an advanced brake assist system, which recognizes emergency braking situations and increases the pressure in the braking circuit to maximize stopping power. Carbon fiber is highly utilized in most interior parts of the GT, such as in the cabin, behind the driver's seats, on the panels, and on certain parts of the dash. Mercedes-Benz decided to catch its customers with a surprise with the upcoming 2022 SL. The upcoming SL will be a 2+2. Yes, 2+2. This means you can take some more friends along to your destination. Mercedes-Benz mentioned that people with a height of 4 feet and 11 inches will be able to be accommodated in the rear seats. But though legroom is quite tight due to some space being utilized to carry luggage for your vacations or shopping bags. In the interior, the infotainment is accessed from the 12.3-inch touch display on the aviation design-inspired dashboard. Interestingly, this screen can be vertically adjusted between 12 and 32 degrees, the idea being to reduce glare when the SL soft top is down. Below the infotainment screen, the center flows between front and rear occupants. The entire interior was designed according to Mercedes, with topography and layering in mind, with a goal of making things appear lighter and less voluminous. Owners of the SL will have a choice of 64 ambient colors to choose from. Massaging seats will come as standard. The AMG seats have integrated headrests as well as Mercedes' traditional air scarf neck vents, which blow warm air into the heads and necks of occupants. More race buyers will be provided with harder core AMG performance seats with active bolstering. The SL models will be powered by a 4-liter V8 engine. The entry-level SL model will be the SL55, with 469 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, while the SL63 will make 577 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque. What sets the two apart is the turbo boost pressure and improved internal airflow in the SL63 and the modified engine software. You can expect to pay around $132,751 for the SL. The Bentley Continental GT. The GT stands for Grand Touring, and the Bentley indeed is grand. From the cabin's perspective, the fine leather stitching, veneers, and great metal trims mixed with modern technology. The Continental boasts a well-balanced chassis with the right amount of athleticism for twisty canyon roads along with a smooth ride. New for Bentley in 2022 is the more powerful Continental GT, powered by a 650 horsepower W12 engine and updates to the chassis. Rear wheel steering is the newest feature and the torque vectoring rear differential. The speed version will feature speed badging, unique 22-inch wheels, and microfiber interior upholstery, and optional carbon fiber dashboard trim. The 650 horsepower engine in the Speed model is estimated to reach 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. The engine uses an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Bentley's designers never compromise high usage of quality materials inside the cabin. From knurled control knobs and double-stitch diamond pattern seat trim, rear seats of the Continental should be avoided for use by tall people. 5 carry-on suitcases can be fitted into the trunk, allowing one to take along their favorite traveling companions as well. The 12.3-inch infotainment system is incorporated into the 3-side rotating unit that also includes a panel with 3 small analog gauges for exterior air temperature, time, compass head, and a 3rd side that shows absolutely nothing but a trim matching with the instrument panel trim. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard. The Continental has safety drive assist features such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. The upcoming Continental models are expected to start at $210,000. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything right here on AutoTech Talk.